Myself Raj. Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in the last videos we are discussing about loops and we started with while loop. And we have seen some example programs using while loop like displaying even numbers, odd numbers, finding the sum of given 10 numbers, finding biggest of given numbers, finding smallest of given numbers. We have seen these examples using while loop. In this video, let us go with one more example which is very important. That is, write a program to find sum of digits of a given number. So what are the number we are giving? Like example, if you take 245 as the number, we want to find the sum of digits. Means we should take every individual digit. Like we have to take 2, then we have to take 4, we should take 5. We should add every digit of this number. So here we get the result 11. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. This is the task here. What is the task? We want to find the sum of these individual digits of a given number. The logic of this program is what are the number we are accepting. Like example here 245 is the number. If you divide this number, if you divide the number by 10, what is the quotient we get? 24. Here we get 240 and the denominator is remainder is what here? 5. Remainder is 5. Means when you divide any number by 10, the last digit will be your remainder. We should take this remainder and we should add it to sum. So the logic is here what we do, if you take this number as 245 and we take initial value of sum as 0 and we take remainder. Now first we have to find the remainder equal to number mod 10. So when you divide number mod 10, what is our number? R equal to 245 mod 10. So what is the remainder we get? When you divide 245 by 10, the remainder is 5. Take this 5, add it to sum. Sum equal to sum plus R. So what is the value of sum? Sum equal to initial value of sum is 0. Remainder is 5. Now the sum value will become 5. Now make your number as 24. How to make number as 24? When you divide this 245 by 10, the quotient will be 24. Because the next digit what we want to pull is 4 here. So how to get this 24? Just to say n equal to n by 10. So when you divide the number by 10, so here we get 245 by 10. So we get the quotient as 24. Now what is the number here? 24 now. Now repeat the same steps again. We have to repeat the same steps. Repeat the steps. R equal to n mod 10. So here we get R equal to, what is the value of n? 24. 24 mod 10. We get the remainder as 4. Take this 4, add it to sum. Sum equal to sum plus R. So here we get sum equal to, what is the value of sum? Previously 5. 5. The remainder is now 4. The value of sum will become 9. Again say n equal to n by 10. So n equal to, what is the value of n? 24 by 10. Then we get the quotient as 2. Again repeat the steps. Again say R equal to n mod 10. So here we get R equal to 2 mod 10. What is 2 mod 10? 2. Remainder is 2. Then sum equal to sum plus R. So sum equal to, previous value of sum is 9. 9 plus 2 remainder. The sum will become 11. Again say n equal to n by 10. So we get n equal to 2 by 10, which is 0. So these steps we should repeat until your number becomes 0. So these are the steps which we need to repeat here. So what are the steps here? R equal to n mod 10, sum equal to sum plus R, n equal to n by 10. These are the steps we should repeat. So that is R equal to n mod 10, sum equal to sum plus R, then n equal to n by 10. So until what time we should repeat these steps? Until your number becomes 0. So we have to take the loop here while n not equal to 0. That's it. This is the logic. And once we come out of this loop, print the value of sum present in sum variable. So this is the logic of finding sum of digits program. Now let us see this complete program practically. For that, open Eclipse. In our project, create a new class, SumDigit with main method. What is the purpose of this program? To find sum of digits of a given number. Now, import scanner to accept the user input java.util.scanner. In main method, create object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard. System.in. Now accept a number. Enter a number. We'll say int n equal to s dot next. Now take a variable sum as 0 initially. Now take the loop while n not equal to 0. What are the steps we should repeat? Remainder r equal to, so you can take the variable outside here, remainder r. No need to declare every time inside the loop. R equal to n mod 10. Then sum equal to sum plus r. Then say n equal to n by 10. That's it. So when the number becomes 0, it's going to come out of loop. Once we come out of loop, print the value of sum here. So here sum equal to sum of digits equal to, first sum of digits equal to the value of sum here. Now let me elaborate with the program also. Now if you take the number as 245, initial value of sum is 0 and we are taking a variable r remainder. 245 not equal to 0, yes. Then r equal to 245 mod 10. So what we get here? 5. Then sum equal to sum plus r. Sum equal to 0 plus 5. Now the value of sum is 5. N equal to n by 10. N equal to 245 by 10, which is 24. Again the loop repeats. 24 not equal to 0, yes. Again comes here r equal to n mod 10. What is n here? 24. 24 mod 10, what we get here? 4. Then take this 4, add it to the previous sum 5. Now the sum will become 9. Again n equal to n by 10. 24 by 10, which is 2. Which is 2. 2 not equal to 0, yes. Again r equal to 2 mod 10, which is 2. Which is 2. Now take this 2, add it to the previous sum 9. Now the sum will become 11. Again n equal to n by 10. What is 2 by 10? 0. 0 not equal to 0. False comes out and prints the sum of digits as what here? 11 here. The final value present in some variable is 11. Let me run this code. So here it is asking for a number. If you take the number as 245, it's going to say the sum of digits as 11. You can go with any number. If you take 5, 8, 6, 4, 7, the sum of digits is what here? 30. Right? Please practice this program. This is very, very important during your interview times or placement times. And most of the programs are dependent on this program. So we should know how to get the digits from the given number, how to pull out the digits from the given number. That is very, very important to us. So this logic will be keep on using in the next example programs also. We'll see some more example programs in the next videos. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.